Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all my signature Nkwobi recipe that does not require potash, ngo or Ncha. If you're the type that goes down with chronic tummy or stomach discomfort whenever you eat Nkwobi or abacha prepared with potash, then this recipe is for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. This is meat. This is uba, oil bean, onions, crayfish, habanero pepper, salt, 1 seasoning cube, garden egg already diced, a very delicious oil, garden egg leaf, akwụkwọ añara. This is blood tonic, ọgwụ ọbara. Yeah. So let's begin. This is how you can make your Nkwobi or your uba without ngo, Ncha, and the likes. Okay, can you see that? What I use is cow head. Has meat inside and the bomo in it. Okay, and you see how juicy it is. I did not use ngo, I didn't use Ncha, I didn't use any of the likes. Just oil, salt, onions, and crayfish with uba and meat of your choice. There you have it, all looking good. I'll be adding the garden egg and the eggplant leaf, akwụkwọ añara, ọgwụ ọbara, later. Turn down the heat and see how juicy it is. Can you see? Okay,